This is the San Franciscan 1-pound roaster. We have two of these, one high airflow, one lower airflow machine. The San Franciscan has all the types of gauges necessary to do roast profiling. Here we see the Easton W1 with a capacity of up to 1.5 kilo, which is like 3.3 pounds. Very efficient controls on the left side of the machine. High airflow, fast cooling. And then we have the William of Orange sample roaster, designed by Marty Curtis and then perfectioned by Scott Rojon engineers with the help of Booth Coffee. This is a really interesting machine, has very accurate temperature sensors, two separate airflow systems, gas gauges, and high precision gas valves. And then last but not least, the Easton W6 6 kilo batch roaster, styled after some old German technology perfectioned by the Dutch in good national Dutch orange colors, with cast iron faceplate and cast iron drum parts and a high precision control panel with very modern interior works. Call us for details and come to our lab for any testing.